Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need the right browser and a capable phone. Once ready, open your browser and go to Earth. Google com/web. Make sure you request the desktop site from the browser menu so the web app serves the full interface. You'll also want headphones and Bluetooth controller paired if you prefer physical controls. Once done, tap the 3-bar menu in the top left. That gives you access to advanced tools. This is where the flight simulator entry appears in the desktop web UI on mobile. Once you open the desktop Google Earth web UI on your phone, navigate the main menu and find Flight Simulator under Tools or Voyager. You'll see a list of aircraft and starting airports. Tap an aircraft and then a runway to spawn. Make sure your on-screen controls are visible if you didn't pair a controller. You'll use touch gestures for pitch and roll, and separate sliders or taps for throttle. Learn a single control at a time so you don't overload inputs during takeoff. Complete your flight by managing speed and attitude. Land by aligning with runway centerline, reducing throttle, and flaring just before touchdown. Once you finish, open the menu to save the view or exit back to Google Earth. If performance or controls are jerky, make sure WebGL is enabled in your browser, clear site data, and reload. Switching to another up-to-date browser often fixes rendering issues. If the simulator won't load, try reducing resolution or use a Bluetooth controller for better input stability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.